Hello everyone, I'm Mayor Patrick Hall. Following the Premier's recent announcements regarding COVID-19, I'd just like to provide a quick update on the City of Canning's response and our staged approach to reopening some of our facilities and services. Cannington Library will be the first to reopen, and our library staff are currently working hard behind the scenes to enable us to reopen on Monday, May the 18th. That's great news. Now, allowing just 20 people into the facility at any one time will be a challenge. And so we're going to see how that works before we make any further decisions in that regard. The city's click and collect service, which has proved to be really popular, will now be expanded so you'll be able to request items and collect those items from some of our other libraries as well. Indoor and outdoor community facilities will be available for bookings on Monday, 18th of May, provided that they can be utilised in accordance with Phase 2 restrictions. Staff are planning for the reopening of other city facilities, including the city's administration building. That's good news, with more information to be provided to you all in the coming weeks. There are a number of practical considerations, including new protocols and processes that we need to work through before we can reopen certain facilities. We also want to ensure that when we do so, we are meeting the needs and expectations of our community whilst complying with COVID-19 safety plans. That's still vitally important. Our leisure plexes at Riverton and Cannington will therefore not reopen on Monday. Now, I know that a lot of you are very keen to get back into pre-COVID fitness routines, but we're taking time to consider the impact of reopening our leisure facilities with the safety of staff and the community front of mind. Normally we have more than 3,000 people come through our 2 leisure centres each day. So the existing 20-person restriction, the need for physical distancing and the rules around not sharing equipment mean it's not currently practical for Canning's large leisure centres to reopen, though we do expect the situation to change markedly in the coming weeks as the government further eases restrictions. Our leisure team is working through what the easing of those restrictions will mean for Phase 3, and so I encourage our members to keep checking in on us on social media or by visiting our website to find out more information. In the meantime, I encourage you to download the Get Active Canning app. There are some great at-home workouts available, and that app is free to download for iPhone and Android users. I also wanted to mention that Whaleback Golf Course reopened a few weeks ago with restrictions in place, and whilst it has been very popular, it's really pleasing to me to see that people have been using it and complied with all restrictions and have maintained physical distancing, so I thank our golfing community for that. It's really great to see restrictions starting to lift for some of our local businesses as well. We're keen to work with local cafes and restaurants to identify how they can use our fresco areas to increase their patronage within the Phase 2 guidelines. And so we encourage those small businesses to talk to us. We're here to help. The City also has resilience grants available to small businesses and community groups who need to adapt their operations. You can check out our website for details on how exactly to apply. I know we're all waiting for that day to occur when things can get back to normal, but to get there faster, we need to maintain our community norms, physical distancing, good hygiene practices, and downloading the government's COVID Safe app. When that day comes, and I'm certain it's not too far away, we look forward to welcoming you all back to our facilities and to seeing more of you out and about in our beautiful City of Canning. Thank you, everyone.